Subject and predicate. The subject is a part of a sentence that tells who or what the sentence is about. It is usually a noun, like a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, Sarah is playing in the garden. In this sentence, Sarah is the subject who is responsible of doing work. She is who the sentence is about. So the Sarah is subject. Let's have another example. The baby cries loudly. In this sentence, the baby is a subject. This is who the sentence is about. So, the baby is subject who is performing some action. If we talk about the next part of a sentence, that is predicate, it is a part of a sentence which tells what the subject is doing or what is happening to the subject. It always includes a verb. Let's have an example. Sarah is playing in the garden. We have already discussed that Sarah is a subject. So, another part of the sentence which is telling something about the subject is predicate. Predicate tells what the subject is doing. Number 2 example, the dog barked loudly. In this sentence, bark loudly is a predicate which tells what the subject is doing. Predicate tells what did the dog do. Let the concept more concrete. Think of it like this. Every sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. Subject, who or what the sentence is about. Predicate tells what the subject does or is. Let's understand with another example. The teacher is writing on the board. In this sentence, the teacher who is performing some action is a subject. And another part of sentence is writing on the board is a predicate which tells what the subject is doing. Teacher is a subject, is writing on the board, it's a predicate. It's time for activity. So students, the more you practice, the more you will understand. Let's start with the activity name match the subject to the correct predicates. Here I have many subjects and many predicates. We will match the subject with the correct predicates that match it perfectly. Number 1, the cat. I will match it with is sleeping on the couch. The cat is sleeping on the couch. Number 2, my sister. My sister is cooking food for me. Number 3 is the gardener. So we have left the 3 options. The gardener is watering the plants. The children are playing games. And the last is grandpa. Grandpa read newspaper every day. Now it's your turn. Underline the subject and circle the predicate. For example, number 1, the bird sang a song. In this sentence, the subject is the bird and predicate is sang a song. In this way, you have to do the rest of activity. Number 1, the sun shines brightly. Now find the subject and predicate. Number 2, my mother cooks dinner. The baby is sleeping. The students are reading books. A lion roared loudly. In practice number 2, you have to make your own sentences by choosing a subject and a predicate from the boxes below. So here are the two boxes, a box of subjects, a box of predicate. Now, take a subject and complete the sentence with a suitable predicate from the box number 2 and write in the comment section. I will check your answers. I hope you understand today's lecture. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.